What is a network security scanner? In this video, we will discuss that. A network security scanner is a software tool that can scan an entire network, including the network nodes, and identify security vulnerabilities. A network security scanner can scan many devices, including firewalls, routers, servers, client computers, etc. And it can scan for many vulnerabilities such as weak passwords, open ports, lack of security patches on any devices, or any other network security issues. How does a network security scanner work? A network security scanner works in the following way. When we run a network security scanner, the network security scanner first analyzes the network structure. After that, the scanner finds out open ports in the network devices. Then, it checks whether any port is running any vulnerable software that is outdated and require patches. It can also find out whether any device connected to the network uses weak passwords. After a network scanner finds out security vulnerabilities, it reports them so that those vulnerabilities can be mitigated. Hence, a network security scanner is an essential automated solution that can scan, assess, and evaluate the security posture of an underlying network. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more, please visit the website of the Security Buddy or refer to the playlist Information Security. The Security Buddy also provides many cybersecurity courses. The relevant links are provided in the description. You can also subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.